Simply civil engineering. Today we will discuss about weather coat paint. Weather coat paint is a type of exterior paint designed to protect buildings from the effects of weather, such as rain, sunlight, wind, and temperature variations. Here's a look at the types and usage. Types of weather coat paint. Acrylic weather coat paint. Usage. Ideal for exterior walls as it resists water and UV damage while allowing the surface to breathe, which prevents peeling and flaking. Q. Silicone-modified weather coat paint. Usage. Excellent for regions with high rainfall or humidity as it prevents water absorption, suitable for masonry surfaces. True. Elastomeric weather coat paint. Usage. Commonly used on surfaces prone to expansion and contraction, e.g., concrete. It's particularly useful for covering cracks and preventing further damage. Hi. Cement-based weather coat paint. Usage. Often used on masonry surfaces for better protection against wind, rain, and temperature changes. Provides a matte finish and high coverage. Gag. Textured weather coat paint. Usage. Used for aesthetic purposes as well as durability. Ideal for exterior walls in high-traffic areas to cover minor imperfections. Thing. Self-cleaning weather coat paint. Usage. Ideal for surfaces that are harder to clean, as the paint repels dust and dirt. Common in urban areas to reduce maintenance. That's all from today.